Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you new here, welcome. If you already subscribed, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by. In this channel, we're talking about hair product DIY that can make your hair grow massively, that can take in your hair, and also we're doing a protective hairstyle. Today, we're gonna use two products that can make your hair thick, strong, and healthy. I'm going to apply this product in my hair today because, as I mentioned in the other video, my hair, I've been suffer from heat damage, and also I lose some of my edges last time. Now I'm working on growing my hair back healthy over length. I always choose health over length. So my hair gonna grow, but I want my hair to grow healthy. So I'm start making my own DIY for my hair. um when you make your own product, so you know exactly what you put in your hair. And especially me, I don't use any kind of product. All my product are organic product. So I know exactly what's in there. I make my own shampoo for my children and my hair also. If you see my kids' hair, you'll see they very healthy. My hair, I didn't pay too much attention to my hair like I do with my kids. Right now, you see, I saturate the product in my hair. I wake up in the morning and I apply that product in my hair. So I'm not gonna wash that product until I'm ready for bed tonight, until I'm ready to take a shower and wash my hair in the process. When it comes to hair growth, when it comes to a product that gonna grow my hair, I'm not gonna wash my hair 1 hour or 2 hours. I'm gonna leave that product in my hair for a while before I wash my hair. First, we're gonna use fenugreek. 1 cup of fenugreek. I use 1 cup of fenugreek because so I can use some in my older kids' hair, but I know that's a lot of 1 cup of fenugreek. It's a lot. Now let's talk a little bit about fenugreek. What can fenugreek do for your hair? Fenugreek can prevent hair loss and promote hair growth, and also can treating a variety of hair scalp issue like dryness of your hair and dandruff. So we soak in that fenugreek overnight and leave it there in the morning. When I wake up, I use it. It's like swelling. That's why 1 cup is a lot. If you're not using fenugreek, if you want to try this product, you're not gonna use fenugreek with so many people here. You don't have to use a cup. You can use a spoon of fenugreek because this thing is swelling. Okay, now I'm gonna join the fenugreek water into my cup. This fenugreek water, because I put so much, I have to join the water so I can get some water. I want to use the water so I can get some water. And now I'm gonna pour some fenugreek out of it. And also I go ahead and boil some water and put in the cup because the water was not enough, because I need more water. So I'm gonna strain some water out of the fenugreek seed. Right now I'm going to use the aloe vera powder in my I'm gonna add some aloe vera powder into the fenugreek seeds so we can blend everything together. Aloe vera can promote hair growth also, and can help effectively with breakage, dead skin cell into your scalp, and also can help your hair follicles healthy. Now we finish with blend the aloe vera. Now we're going to get a strainer. You can use a cheesecloth, and now I'm going to use a shirt. I didn't have no cheesecloth, so I'm going to use a t-shirt to strain that liquid. After you finish squeezing all the liquid that you want in there, you can add any oil of your choice. I'm going to add amla oil and peppermint oil. Those two oils are good for hair growth. You can go ahead and try this hair product in your hair and tell me exactly what you think about it in the comment down below, because after I finish use that product, my hair is so strong, my hair is feeling healthy. So if you want to see how this product is working good, go ahead and try it. If you feel like that video was helpful for you, give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video when I upload. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.